Hi guys, welcome back to our project in Dana Point. Wanted to give you an update here about what's going on. The counters are fully installed with a full custom-made panel from the same counter for the wall here. Look how beautiful it is. Obviously you can see all the appliances already installed, the sink with the workstation, the backsplash for the bar is different, and it's also installed. Now we're the last stages of the project, literally just installing last couple of doors, handles, panels, cleaning up, touch-upping the walls, everything that needs to be done before the customers move back into the house. Obviously, as you remember, all the flooring was done. All the baseboard is getting prepped right now and installed. And actually, I'll show you the fireplace tile is also completely finished. We just left with painting the interior of the fireplace in black. Look how beautiful this tile is. Turned out really nice. Yep, so very last stages of the project. Another few days and we're all done. I'll definitely keep on updating you as we go and finish this project, and I'm sure you'll love what you see at the end.